Hi, in this video, we will be creating this logo using Inkscape. So let's get started. First, we need to grab the rectangle tool and create an object. And then we're going to change its height to 65 pixels and its width to 72 pixels. Let's zoom to selection by hitting 3. Next, we're going to remove its fill. And then we're going to add a stroke. Let's choose this color. And then we're going to change its size to 4 pixels. Next, we're going to convert it to path so that we can manipulate its nodes. And then we're going to grab the node tool and select these nodes. Make sure to hold shift when adding nodes or objects to selection. And then we're going to click this icon, which is delete segment between two non-endpoint nodes. So while the nodes are selected, we're going to join them with a new segment by clicking this icon. So this object will serve as our guide to find the common curve to circles. You will see what I mean when we go to the outline view later. Now, let's grab the ellipse tool and create an object. Make sure to hold Ctrl to create the circle. And then we're going to resize it to 40 plus 4 pixels since it has a 4 pixel stroke. Let me undo for a second. We need to disable this scaling option first so that when we scale the object, the stroke size will remain. And while we're at it, we need also to enable snapping. And then let's go to advanced mode. And we're going to disable bounding boxes, paths, alignment, and we're going to enable object midpoints. Hit escape to close snapping menu. Now we can resize this object to 40 plus 4 pixels. And then we're going to snap its midpoint here. Just like that. Let's zoom out a bit. And then we're going to duplicate this object and resize it to 90 plus 4 pixels and snap its midpoint here. Next, we're going to duplicate this object and resize it to 234 plus 4 pixels and then snap its midpoint here. Let's zoom to all objects by hitting 4. So now we can delete our guide and go to the outline view to see if the curves are perfectly placed. So let's see. So as we can see, they are perfectly placed. So there's no overlapping. Okay. So let's go back to the normal view. Next, we're going to select this object and then we're going to duplicate and snap its quadrant point here. Okay. Next, let's duplicate this circle and then we're going to resize it to 378 plus 4 pixels and snap its quadrant point here. Okay. Then we're going to select them all. Go to the shape builder tool and just drag across objects that you want to unite. like that. So hit enter to commit shape, or just click this icon. To get the negative shape, let's change its stroke size to 16 pixels, and then we're going to convert stroke to path, and then we're going to unite them all, and then we're going to break them apart. Next, let's delete this object. Then we're going to select them all, and we're going to unite them. Then we're going to change its color to black and rotate it 240 degrees clockwise. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.